Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Mathematics channel 360 degree mathematics. Today we are going to discuss an algebraic chapter, that is permutation. Permutation is very important chapter. It has great importance in algebraic expressions and algebraic discussion. What is permutation? Definitionally, permutation means arrangement. Suppose you have three elements A, B, C. Whenever you write BAC or CAB or BCA or ACB, then the permutations, that is arrangement, is changed. And this is our focus today on permutation analysis. Now we are discussing on paper. Just look at the paper. We write permutation. In bracket we write arrangements. It will be easier for understanding. The basis of permutation can be explained in this way. Suppose you have two elements AB. I write BA. These are two arrangements and the permutation is 2. If I write ABC, if I select ABC, then ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB and CBA. All these are 6 arrangements. That is permutation 6. Now our discussion makes easier explanation for 2 or 3 elements. But whenever these elements will be increasing in number, then the problem appears. Problem of arrangement appears. That is, suppose 10 elements, suppose 8 elements, suppose 25 elements, then we cannot arrange in this manner. We face problem regarding arrangement. Now, to avoid this type of problem, to avoid this type of cumbersome situation, we use formula. But before discussing formula, we again by written mention the formula, mention the definition. That is, each of the different arrangements, if of the different arrangements which can be made by taking some or all of a given number of things is called permutation. This is nothing but the definition, simple definition. Just the inside words is this: arrangements in permutation. And the structure of permutation we use in this way. Structure of permutation. Structure. The product of in consecutive natural numbers. What is natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and dot dot dot. This is natural number. Natural numbers from 1 to n is denoted by n factorial. This sign is called factorial, or another form is factorial is this, either this or this. Generally we use this type of Now we present one important variation or proof. This is very important, which is going to be discussed. NPR equals to n minus 1 PR plus R into n minus 1 PR minus 1. This proof comes in the board exams, and this is used in many cases of the competitive exam. And this proof can be done from right hand side, and it will be easier. RHS n minus 1 PR plus R n minus 1 PR minus 1, it will be n minus 1 by formula n minus 1 minus R factorial plus R into n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 minus R minus 1 factorial, that is n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus R factorial plus R n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus R plus 1 factorial, that is n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus R factorial plus R n minus 1 factorial, and this one cancelled, and in the denominator n minus R factorial. But between n minus 1 minus R and n minus R, this is greater, and it can be expanded into product form, that is n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 minus R factorial plus R. This will be expanded in the product form n minus R, after this n minus R minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial. Now this upper part and these lower parts are same, can be taken as common, n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus R factorial, 1 plus R by n minus R, that is n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus R factorial, n minus R plus R, that is n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus R factorial, n by n minus R. This can be written as n minus 1 factorial n and n minus R minus 1 factorial. It is actually n factorial by n minus R factorial, which is nothing but NPR, and this is LHS, the proved. The case is proved. Another important proof we are establishing here, prove that 2n Pn equals to 1, 3, 5 dot 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 2n minus 1 2 to the power n. This is our problem, and this problem will be started from left hand side. The previous problem was started from right hand side because according to the structure it was right hand side is more easier, but in the present problem left hand side is more easier. 2n Pn equals to 2n factorial 2n minus n factorial, that is 2n minus 1 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 and dot 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 1, and in the denominator we get n factorial. If I write in this form 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, 2 next term n minus 2 and 1, and next in denominator n minus 1, n minus 2 and dot 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 1. Now from the structure we can cancel this one, this one, this one, and we are getting 1 2, 2 2s, 3 2s, and in this way n 2s, 2 to the power n, and rest part are 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 5, and this is decreasing in the odd nature. Therefore, we can write the last parts 5 3 1. This is decreasing according to odd nature. That's why we are writing here 5 3 1, and just rearranging the numbers, we get 1 3 5 dot 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 2n minus 1, and for the proof we arrange in this way 2n minus 1, that is 2 to the power n, equal to RHS proved. Now we focus on important small tricky formula. That is npn equals to n factorial. It implies npn equals to n factorial n minus n factorial, that is n factorial by 0 factorial. 0 factorial means 1, earlier we assumed, that is n factorial by 1, that is n factorial, and hence we can write this n factorial means actually 1 2 3 dot dot n. Now npn equals to n factorial equals to 1 2 3 dot n. This is complete. npn means n factorial. This is our mission complete. Now we focus another separate important formula regarding factorial. It is important, but in the to some extent a higher sense, that is double factorial, concept of double factorial. Concept of double factorial. Double factorial means two factorial signs side by sides. That is, whenever we write n factorial or factorial, double factorial, the formula of a double factorial is n double factorial means n minus 2, n minus 4, n minus 6. It implies one term between two terms is missing here. N minus 1 missing, n minus 3 missing, n minus 5 missing, and with the help of this formula we can write 5 double factorial equals to 5 minus 2, 5 minus 4, and it becomes 5 3 1. Whenever 1 is reached here, then the structure will be completed. But if I take 8 factorial, then 8 double factorial, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 4, 8 minus 6, and if I write 8 minus 8, that will be 0 and there is no meaning here. Therefore, we stop here. 8, 6, 4, 2, and the value is, this was 15, but this value is 324. One important notice: for odd number, last term of double factorial is 1, and for even term, even number, last term of double factorial is 2. Naturally, n double factorial less than n factorial. N double factorial less than n factorial. Suppose we are considering 5 double factorial and it has value 15. Already we have got here. But normal 5 factorial means 120. Therefore, 15 less than 120, it implies 5 double factorial less than 5 factorial. That is 5 double factorial less than 5 factorial. Now, we focus on another important part, that is left factorial, concept of left factorial. Concept of left factorial. Concept of left factorial. Left factorial means first factorial sign and then the number. The formula of factorial n, previously we mentioned n factorial means first n then factorial sign. Now we will mention factorial then n, and it has the formula n factorial summation k 0 to n minus 1 whole to the power k by k factorial. This is core formula. This is core formula. The alternative forms of this formula: factorial n equals to n, factorial n minus 1 plus minus 1 whole to the power n, or factorial n equals to n minus 1 factorial n minus 2 plus factorial n minus 1. Here we cite an example to illustrate this concept. Example: factorial 3 equals to 3 factorial k equals to 0 to 3 minus 1 whole to the power k by k factorial. It means 3 factorial k
0 to 3 summation minus 1 whole to the power k by k factorial. If I take 3 factorial means 6, 6 is outside. Whenever we put k equal to 0, then we get minus 1 whole to the power 0 by 0 factorial plus minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 1 factorial plus minus 1 whole to the power 2 by 2 factorial plus minus 1 whole to the power 3 by 3 factorial, and it becomes 6 1 by 1 plus minus 1 by 1 plus half plus minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6, and clearly we can write 6 1 minus 1 plus half minus 1 by 6. If I calculate, then we get half minus 1 by 6, and it becomes 6, 3 minus 1, 6, and it becomes 2. This is the answer. Left factorial means left factorial has another direction. Factorial is also considered as de-arrangement.
This was all about today. Please keep watching this channel for future updates, and thank you all for watching this video.